Hey friends, welcome to Tips by Anil, and in this video we will learn how we can send an email when a request is created. Okay, in my previous video we discussed how we can create a request and send it for approval. So when a request will be created for approval to my manager, then a email should we go to my manager for approval and rejection. Okay, so the email format will be something like this, or we can design whatever kind of email you want. So we will achieve this by Microsoft Flow. I'm going to create instant cloud flow. Here I will search my trigger. So my trigger will be this is my flow name. Okay, now here we will search when an item will be created, okay, in SharePoint. So I will just click on the SharePoint, and in SharePoint when an item is created, I will choose my site, SharePoint site, and here leave applied by the user. Leaves applied by user. We have this SharePoint list. Okay. Now in next step, we have to search send email with option. Okay. So here you can see we have an Outlook option, send email with options. Here in two, either you can send it dynamically to your manager, like request requested to email. Okay, either you can search this, and either you can send it by just putting over here. Okay, so this email ID I put it over here. Now here are your choice. In subject, please approve my leave, and here will be the leave title. Now in the choice approved, and the second choice reject. Okay, and I don't have any other choices. Now in next step we will here only I will just show you in advanced options. So in advanced options I will choose header text. I will not choose anything. Body I will create, and in select text I will let you know in the email what is the select text. Please reject, or please take an action. What is the header text? I will let you know. So this is the header text. Actually this is the header text, and this is select text. This is the select text. Okay, and these all are your choice. So in the body I will just type hi Anil. Okay, or either you can choose from your dynamic content. Now I need a breakpoint, then I'll use BR. Now I will type please approve my below leave request. Now again I will use BR for line break. Okay, and here I will use 2BR, and here we have to provide our leave information, leave type, and in leave type I will say leave type total days. Here total days. Now from here you can say date from, you can type date from, date to, date to. Okay, now here again provide breakpoint and thanks and regards, and here you can use like requested by display name. Okay, in the email I already told you the email ID you can take from here also, requested by or requested to. Here is the option requested to email. Okay, this you can use, but I have not configured this email in Outlook, so that's why I'm using my Gmail ID. Okay, now it's done. Now the next option, we have to update the item. In SharePoint I will use update item. Okay, so the current item will be updated. Now from here I will choose my site address, leave applied by user, and ID I will choose the ID, and now here I will use enter custom value, add dynamic, and dynamic data selected option. Whatever option I will selected over Gmail, that will be updated in my leave status value. Okay, now my flow has been created. Okay, so you can also take an action once the selected option equals to this. You can send an email to requester that your email has been approved or rejected. Okay, that thing also you can do in this email. So let's create a request. Now from here I will create a on leave. Okay, 001 summative leave. So leave applied successfully. All right, now I will check my workflow. It will take few seconds to running. It has been started. Yeah, it has been started. Okay, now if we will see the workflow, you can see when an item is created, pass successfully, send email with the option, because from here we will, whenever we will take an action, then it will update the item. Okay, now I'll check my email, click on all email. Yes, I got that email. So here please approve my leave, and leave title leave underscore 001. Hi Anil, please approve my below leave request. Leave type unleave, total days 1, date from this, and date to this. Thanks and regards, tips by Anil. Okay, and when I will take an action from here, suppose I'm going to approve this leave. Right now if you will see my leave request, this is pending. Okay, now I'm going to take an action as approved. Thank you, response approved has been successfully registered. Now if I'll go see, leave underscore 001 has been approved. Now if I'll see the item, this request has been approved successfully. All right. Okay, in pendings record it has been removed, and now you can see the leave has been approved successfully. Now one more thing you can do over here, suppose when an item has been approved, here you can send a simple email to a requester that your email has been approved. All right, so that also you can do. This is your homework. So I hope you can like my video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.